In a world dominated by Restomoded Porsche 911s, the TWR Supercat brings a fresh take on a classic icon, redefining the Jaguar XJS with boldness and power. This limited edition masterpiece is set to turn heads with its unparalleled design and performance. British firm Tom Walkinshaw Racing, TWR, has unveiled its latest creation, the TWR Supercat. Based on the Jaguar XJS, this Restomod is a striking blend of heritage and modern engineering. Limited to just 88 units, the Supercat offers an exclusive experience for discerning automotive enthusiasts. The Supercat's launch comes at a pivotal time as Jaguar shifts toward an EV-only future. This timing underscores the Supercat's nostalgic embrace of V12 power, appealing to purists and petrol heads alike. The exterior of the TWR Supercat exudes a race-ready aesthetic, with fender flares increasing its width by 182mm (7.2 inches), resulting in a supercar-like stance at 1,975mm (77.8 inches) wide. This is no mere body kit. Khyzyl Saleem's fully redesigned carbon fiber bodywork adds aggressive intakes, enhanced aerodynamics, and bold proportions. The car rides on staggered 18-inch and 19-inch TWR Forged Monobloc wheels, paired with modern LED lighting to blend classic lines with contemporary elements seamlessly. Inside, the original 2+2 layout has been reimagined into a spacious two-seater cabin. This transformation includes a larger luggage compartment, perfect for long-distance touring. Premium materials dominate the interior, with leather adorning the dashboard, door panels, and steering wheel. Upgrades include carbon fiber-backed electric seats, a bespoke aluminum gear knob, and modern connectivity features. A digital instrument cluster and precision-crafted aluminum switchgear enhance the driving experience. The heart of the TWR Supercat is a re-engineered version of the XJS's original 5.3-litre V12. Expanded to 5.6 litres and equipped with a dry sump system, new cylinder heads, billet cams, and a supercharger, the engine produces an astonishing 660 horsepower, 492 kilowatts, and 538 pound-feet, 730 newton-meters of torque. The power is managed through a 6-speed manual transmission and a limited slip differential, ensuring precise and exhilarating performance. Revving up to 7,750 RPM, the engine showcases both ferocity and refinement. Beyond its powerful engine, the Supercat boasts significant chassis improvements. Reinforced structures, bespoke tubular steel subframes, and adjustable suspension deliver exceptional handling. Carbon ceramic brakes provide stopping power to match the car's performance capabilities. To modernize its dynamics, the Supercat features programmable traction control, launch control, and 5 distinct driving modes, making it versatile for both track and road. Under Fergus Walkinshaw, son of the legendary Tom Walkinshaw, TWR plans to produce just 88 units of the Supercat. Priced from £225,000, £285,000, excluding the donor Jaguar XJS, this car represents a celebration of legacy and innovation. The TWR Supercat is more than a Restomod. It's a statement of bold engineering, combining classic Jaguar charm with modern performance. With its rarity and raw appeal, the Supercat is destined to become a coveted collector's item.